there, welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. And by the way, it's nightfall when the deep purple night falls across sleepy garden walls. Never mind. Anyhow, so guess what? We're going to do a little equipment thing here, in the Man Cave review. I got the new GoPro 9 remote, GoPro 9 specific remote. So thank you GoPro for making sure that we have to have a different remote now for the 9. Could you please keep this one good for the next 4 or 5 generations? Pretty please? Anyhow, one more piece of kit. So I thought we'd do a little bit of an Man Cave review, as I say, using the GoPro 9 now as I am. And let's open the box and see what's in it. What do you say? Hang in there with me. All right, back here in the Man Cave, beautiful evening, about 59 degrees out there. People seem to care about that. San Diego winter, you know. But I'm going to open up this. Let's get with it. Let's do the unboxing. Nice quiet evening at home. Let's open this up. Hope you don't mind if I wear my reading glasses through this. By the way, here are the 2 operating manuals for the Panigale and the Aprilia. Have you read yours cover to cover? Certainly hope you have. People spend money and time doing those. So let's open this little guy up and see what's in the package. Okay, got the box open. How does it come out? Sometimes these are a little bit of a puzzle. Note to manufacturers, just in general, think about how the consumer takes the box out of the package. The remote, control your GoPro, waterproof to 15 feet, 5 meters, and rechargeable. Okay, box is open, nothing in there. 2 pamphlets, the remote, waterproof remote guide. I'm going to bet this is the safety instructions. There are multiple languages in here. For whatever reason, it seems like English gets placed a lot at the front. Okay, this is the stuff where they tell you not to eat it, drink it, give it to children to play with, etc., etc. This is probably at least 100 attorneys looking at this and putting this together so that they can cover themselves from any liability issues. Very many happy attorneys across the world working with this. Here's the user guide, attaching your remote to the strap, various other directions, and this English part. So that's, let me just check here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of user guide, and just for fun, let's just take a look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4 pages of safety instructions written by the attorney. So we're about, it seems like it's a fair battle there. Okay, the remote comes out. The wrist strap, I assume. You always wonder, am I leaving anything inside the box? The box is pretty complicated. How do you know, for instance? GoPro, just a question in general. Guy, I hate to tear apart somebody's handiwork here, but you never know until you look at the inside, and there's nothing in there. And here you have the entire contents of the box. The new remote, the remote itself, the wrist strap, and the plug-in power. I will plug this in and power it up, and then what we'll do is we'll work with the GoPro 9. We'll use it here in the Man Cave. I won't be able to do that this evening. I'll come back to it, and we'll maybe do a little side-by-side comparison because I have the previous generation to work with the earlier GoPros. Okay, that's what you get in the box. I'm going to charge it up now. Day 2 of the remote app start here, back at the Man Cave. Let's get with it. Let's not put a lot of time into this. let's get with it. We're going to fire up the remote and pair it with the 9. See what happens. Hang in there, kids. All right, I've charged the new remote overnight as we did after the unboxing. Right off the bat, new remote meet old remote. And right off the bat, the new remote is perhaps a little thinner, but also a little larger in length than the old one. The old remote was called Smart Remote. I don't know if it went to school, how it got that designation. The new remote is referred to as the remote. Rather clever marketing language on the part of GoPro, but 2 very quick differences. Right off the bat, one of the things I like a little bit about the new versus the old is the old charger had a proprietary kind of a connector charger here, and it went in like that. Then you had a USB, standard USB charger port. Then to remove it, you go to the back and you have to flip a little switch here to get it off. Not a big deal, but still just marginally better, I think. This is more standard connectors. So hopefully with all your gear, if you do lose that very proprietary piece, you don't have to buy another one. Okay, looking at the remote, it is charged up. Not the smart remote, the remote. So I'm going to follow the guide here. Bear with me. Pairing the remote and your GoPro. All right, this says the remote can control up to 5 cameras at a time from 196 feet in optimal conditions. I'm not going to be 196 feet away. Why do motovloggers like the remote? Well, the idea is that with the remote, and you're on the bike and you're in a dynamic situation, with the strap, you can mount this around the outside of your gear and you can begin your video where you want to on the ride. I've not used the remote all that often, but the downside of not having the remote is that you've got to start the video camera before you even get on the bike, typically. There are touch-sensitive gloves, but working with the app, the iPhone app, those touch-sensitive areas are pretty small, and it's a little clumsy, even with touch-sensitive gloves. So this great big old button to start it off here is pretty nice. It's on your wrist. You get the thing, get started, and get out to where you want a video, and you start there. Keeps battery and memory storage a little bit more reliable. All right, so this says pairing the remote with your camera. Power off the remote. No problem there. I haven't even powered it on. On your camera, complete these steps. Let's fire up the GoPro 9 here. We'll wait for it to go. There she goes. Triple beep. Okay, a view within a view. From the rear screen, swipe down to access the dashboard. Down. Then swipe left to tap connections. And it says connect device. The remote. There it is. I don't know if that'll come out on the camera or not, but the remote. So I'm going to tap that. It says power on the remote. And power on is right there, I think. That big button. No, it isn't. Here's power on. This end here. There's a red light. Shows up, tells me I've got it. It says 100%. It says put the remote in pairing mode. I'm going to put pair new. Connecting. Connection successful. Got to say, that's pretty quick. That is pretty quick. And it tells me it's Gary's GoPro 9. I very modestly named this GoPro after myself. And there it is. And I'm on max video, 2.7K. We're all set and ready to go. That didn't hurt at all. GoPro app date and time. This has been coming up. It kind of bothers me a little bit. I'm just going to say, we'll let the app set it. And we are connected. Let's see if I can get this up to the camera here. Not too sure that that's going to show up. Maybe. Anyhow, so I am connected. Changing modes. Press the mode button multiple times. Can you see that? Again, I apologize. Lighting is a sort of a... There's camera. There's time. There's something else. And we are back to video. That's pretty sweet. To stop capturing video, press the shutter button. Here's our shutter button. Changing the presets, and there is a little wrench button on this side that would allow you to change the preset. So you can go, I would imagine you can go to 2.7 or whatever. Pro tip, mark favorite moments by pressing the mode button. So you can press the mode button and that might put a highlight tag in your timeline when you pull it up. Quick capture. The following features are not available when using the remote with your GoPro. Quick capture. Manual capture of multiple photos while recording video with multiple cameras. That's probably a little over my capabilities. And the GoPro app connectivity. So there it goes. I'm going to put this up on the tripod in a moment, and we're going to try and capture a little video with it. So bear with me. Okay, this is kind of fun. I got all kinds of things that I'm juggling here. I have the GoPro 8 with the chest mount, which is right here. And I'm staring at the GoPro 9 in the man cave with the remote in my hand. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to see if I can record. There it goes. Hopefully this is recording. I'm using the internal mic with the Media Mod Pro. Why couldn't they have called this the Remote Pro? GoPro, you can send me the check for the marketing consultancy whenever you have the moment. So just a couple of quick moments here. I'm going to shut this down again. There it goes. That's kind of cool. I sort of like that. Let's do it again and do a little 360 here. Recording again, doing a 360 around the man cave. Enjoy the view. Okay, did a 360. All right. Hey, I think this thing is working. Okay, last words here. Impressive points, two early pluses. One, the charger, much easier to use. Secondarily, how quickly this paired and how easily and seamlessly it seems to operate with the camera itself. The next and probably most important step, of course, is to take it out on the road, and we'll use it on the motorcycles. Let me know, by the way. I'm going to post this up pretty quickly with hopefully minimal edits. So let me know which motorcycle I should take it out on. Just let me know. Should it be the Ducati, the Phantom, or Tony Thunder, the Aprilia? Let me know. So that's the next step. We'll probably get to that over the next couple of days. A lot of things going on here. Anyway, see you further into the new year.